If you don't want to empty your entire bank account for termite treatments, you have to prevent them from ever invading your home. Here's how you do that. The first way to prevent termites is to make sure your home is properly sealed. Termites usually invade through cracks in wood, where they will start tunneling into walls. Check places like windows, doors, and any other potential entry points to make sure they are properly sealed. Make sure that there are no gaps or cracks in the paint and that it is properly applied. A solid coat of paint is actually very effective at keeping termites out. Even better, there's a special termite-repelling paint that can be used on exterior walls for even stronger protection. Next, remove any food sources around your house. Make sure to keep any firewood, mulch, or other organic materials away from your home. To prevent termites from invading your home, you should make it as difficult as possible for them to even get close to it. Termites actually die when exposed to sunlight for too long, so make sure they have no safe place anywhere near your home. Third, make sure to address any issues with moisture in your house. This includes fixing any plumbing leaks and ventilation issues to prevent a buildup of humidity. Termites are attracted to moist wood, so fixing any sources of excess moisture can help keep termites away. Make sure that your attic and crawl spaces are well ventilated. These are both common places for moist wood, which offers perfect conditions for termites to dig into. Next, invest in preventative treatments. For example, termite bait systems only have to be installed once, but can offer reliable protection for years at a minimal cost. This can completely prevent an infestation by subterranean termites, the most destructive of all species. Ask your local pest control expert for the best treatments to prevent termites, as these are different depending on your location. This is because there are different termite species in different regions, and each has different recommended treatments. Finally, consider investing in a termite prevention plan. Many pest control companies offer termite protection plans, usually called termite bonds, that can help protect your home from termites. These plans typically include regular inspections, treatments, and repairs if needed. When you sign a termite bond, the pest control company essentially guarantees the protection of your home and has to perform any treatments or repairs free of charge if they are ever necessary. But as always, read the contract thoroughly and make sure you know what you're signing, as every company has its own terms and conditions. Now, there are 2 more things you need to do to protect your home against termites. First, you need to subscribe to our channel to learn what else you can do to keep your home and loved ones safe. Second, you need to learn how to identify termite damage and recognize the most common signs of termites. Click the video on screen right now to learn how to do just that in under 5 minutes. Noticing a termite infestation early can save you thousands in treatment costs.